Hello everyone, my name is Priscilla and this is Swaggy's Kitchen. Swaggy's Kitchen is an online food delivery service and it started in 2018 when I did my first sale. I pretty much just decided to listen to what people were telling me on social media, and I ended up cooking, and I haven't stopped since. I decided to do online food delivery because it was the easiest thing to do at the moment. I didn't need an actual place to be at, even though you do need a place, but that is the main goal at the end of this journey, to have my own restaurant. But as of now, I'm just making it work, and I'm just feeding people and still making them happy without having to do the most with what I have. I had coworkers that I was working with at the time when I started Swaggy's Kitchen, and they would always tell me, hey, I would bring food to work and I would let them try it, my leftovers and stuff, and they were like, oh my gosh, you should really sell this out of your trunk. And I was like, ha ha ha, yeah, one day. It was all a joke. And then I started having dreams about it, and I was like, you know what, this is it, maybe I should just start. So one day I just decided to listen to the people online as well, because I had people online asking me for recipes, asking me where I bought my food from, not knowing that it was me making it. So I was like, I think, it's time for me to push this. So I just one day posted, I have wings today, and I had 3 people who bought that same day, and I haven't stopped selling since. So my main goal is to open up a restaurant and to be able to feed people in a comfortable family environment, and not only just feed them in their tummies, but also feed their souls with encouraging words of the day, devotionals, scriptures, anything that might, help people in their life journey. The thing is, God says in scripture that to devote, your work to Him. And this is just my devotion to God, letting Him know that, hey, look, I'm your servant. I'm here to serve your people and to serve you. And this is the talent that you gave me to be able to make good food. So why don't I just take the talent you gave me and give it for your glory, not mine. My favorite thing about this whole thing is just making people happy, being able to meet new people. I love people, being around people. Being able to make them happy makes me happy, so it's just a win-win situation. Being a single mom has actually pushed me even harder to be able to create something that will not just benefit me, but will benefit my son, and he could possibly grow into the business in the future and run it when I'm not around, and his kids and his grandkids. And so I just want to leave something behind, and something that is created out of love for everyone, not just for the family. So one thing I would want somebody to take out of this is to not be afraid to take chances or to take risks. You will never know until you make it happen or until you start. So whatever it is that you're doing or you want to do, don't think that you need professionalism or anything like that to start. Just start it and run with it, and ask God for guidance and for wisdom, and He will definitely put the right people in your path. He will definitely show you what exactly you need to do, and just run with it. Just go. If you found value in this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like, share, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell for upcoming videos. I will see you guys next time.